Here's how to convert a picture or image to PDF. First up, go over to your Chrome browser and search for a website called I Love PDF. Once you do that, this should be your website right over here. Click on the JPEG or JPG to PDF option. Now you can easily select your image or picture, and you can easily select your picture that you want to convert, and you can convert or select as much pictures as you want. So example, let me select these images. Once I'm done selecting the images I want to convert, I can easily click on the done option. And as you can see, these are all my pictures. If you want to arrange them, you can easily drag and drop there. And once you're done selecting the images, you can then click on the convert to PDF option. And as you can see, it is successfully converted. You can then click on the download PDF to download the PDF you have converted. And if I go over to my downloads, you can see the downloaded PDF right over here. So the images have been converted to a PDF. So that's how you can easily convert images or a picture to PDF. So that said, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.